Blake Production.
Yo, what is poppin'? Wonderfi squad. It's been some time. Fuck this stock, bro. Alright, okay, let's break it down, okay? We're looking at Wonderfi Technologies. I'm very interested in the next week's earnings report. Now, the reason why I'm so interested is because if we look back on some of Wonderfi's tweets, we've seen an 80% increase in user transactions. I think something along the lines of like 20% increase in adoption of users. Few good news. That's a few hints of good news coming out at least. Apple Pie. Fuck, man, I'm tired, dude. Apple Pie. Apple Pay is now available to use with BitBuy. So you could literally use Apple Pay to go buy your Bitcoin using BitBuy, which is one of Wonderfi's apps. So, okay, anyways, let's get into it. There's a few bullish catalysts. I'm excited for the earnings report. Let's talk about the technical analysis, okay? Because that's what I really specialize on and what I've really been paying attention to. So I had this split up for time now, right? Into years, okay? November 2021 to November 2022, we have this, it's a clear downtrend, right? You guys can see that, right? We have this high, we make a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We continue all the way down into this range, okay? Now I'm gonna, let's take this out of the way, okay? So from November 2022 to November 2023, right? That's another 1 year. We've essentially, the price hasn't changed. Think of it like that, okay? Let's go November 2022 at 14 cents, call it, like around there. And we're a little bit under, right? So we're actually lower than where we were about 2 years ago or a year ago, okay? In my opinion, the next phase we're going to see is this phase, okay? The next year from 2023 November to 2024 November. We're going to see price do something like this, okay? That's what we're going to be looking for in the next year. Now, how is that going to play out? Well, let's take a look, see, right? That's what we need to look for. We had phase 1, massive downtrend. Phase 2, equilibrium, gathering of shares, developing a demand zone, developing a base. And year 3 is what we're going to look for, where we push up higher into this 50-cent plus range, hopefully towards the dollar zone. I know that's a lot of price action. Could that really happen in a year? Things can get wild, especially with this Bitcoin ETF potential approval. Now there's apparently filings for ETH ETFs. What else is there? A bunch of the rise of the tide of the crypto market, right? Bitcoin itself. Never forget, when these ETFs if they get approved, right? When they get approved, the ETFs themselves are going to have to hold Bitcoin, right? So the price of Bitcoin is drastically going to increase in the next few years. These are all bullish catalysts on why Wonderfi Technologies could be a great opportunity, right? So this is what we're looking at. We have this stock. I've already mentioned a bunch of this stuff, right? Higher high, Wonderfi, CoinSquare merger, blah, 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 blah. We end up finally getting to finalize, like they're fully merged together now. And yet we still see this decrease in price. What I'm seeing here is we're in this 12.5, 13 cent, 11 cent zone, call it whatever. We're in this low range. What we're looking for here, right? Let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay, we have bullish divergence when we're looking at this stock. Okay, what do I mean by that? The stock price is flat, but the RSIs are increasing, which is telling you the relative strength of price is increasing at these levels. What we want to see in the next few weeks, right? And I find this interesting because we have this candle showing here, right? Where we go from the open, which is 12 cents, and that it closes at 13.5 cents, but it made a high of 15 cents. 2 weeks, 2 inside bars. Eventually, we're going to have to break out above that. What we're looking for is hopefully on this upcoming earnings at the end of the month, we're hopefully going to see the price start to move upward from this range back into this zone, right? So again, this level, right, this price, we've spent so much time the past year trying to break this zone, but we haven't been able to stay above it. What we're going to be looking for is making this move and staying in this range and then breaking to the upside. This is what we're looking for here on Wonderfi. Is this going to happen? Who knows, man? Throw it up in the air. Who knows? From a technical perspective, this is what we could expect. So with the bullish divergence as a technical catalyst and a bunch of the other fundamental catalysts around the crypto space, we could be looking for a potential rise in price when it comes to this stock. So that's the breakdown. Look forward to a bunch more of these coming soon. It's been a while. I was MIA for a while because I've been dealing with some stuff on the side, like potentially rebranding this account, working on some side projects, and just enjoying life. So it feels good to be back. I'm excited to post a lot more videos. Easy.